So a lot of time there are chap who has a clarity, but because they develop too much pressure, that pressure leads to duality. And the duality of, will I get screened in or not? नहीं नहीं यार मैं हो जाऊंगा, अरे नहीं नहीं मैं बहुत बढ़िया लिखूंगा. This duality at that moment puts you into a particular zone where you leave your natural persona and then you try to forcefully implement things. When you try to implement things forcefully and at the same point of time you have a lot of psychological time pressure, the end result would be that you will not be able to handle, but the fact is everything will going to crash. This is the simple source of a confusion. And the answer to this confusion, once you know the roots, अगर आपको roots पता है, so Harsha is saying, yes sir, that was the exact situation I was in. बिल्कुल यही situation सटीक में था. So when you know, now you have understood the roots of it. When you know the roots, the solution is very simple. First of all, clarity, which is the most important part, as I have been always telling you, because once you have that, then only you will get the confidence. I'm sure 100%, 110% sure on one thing, which is not my belief, but that is something, a proof I have got to know from the members of this community, all those who are pursuing the SSB recommendation blueprint program course. And that is all those people sincerely by heart who are doing, they have the 110% clarity of the game. Now, the majority of all these people who are doing it, they get the clarity, but the majority of them, they flung on the second part. Where, as I have been saying, if you remember the third secret, when you came for the very first time in the webinar, there only the duality comes. All of you, when you go over there, you come into a duality, and that duality puts you again into a state of confusion. And that state of confusion takes you to a point where you try to apply the force. When you try to apply the force will never going to work. It has to be an effortless game. SSB recommendation is all about being effortless. Till the time you cannot be graceful and effortless, you will not be able to recommend. So in order to avoid that duality, I have also suggested you very strongly, the simple idea is, please go for the SSB. It's my strong request. Go and attend SSB, just like do and die, as simple as that. The problem here is, please understand, the problem here is, when you know about something, you unintentionally become too much trained. I'll give you one very, very strong study that has been done. And recently I have written one paper, soon it will be published. I will share with all of you in few of the very international journals. I have written on SSB only. It has been observed, lot of fresher candidates who really have within them to get the recommendation, who have that particular personality persona, if they don't read anything about the system, or if they don't go for any coaching or anything or any program, they are more likely to get recommended. Do you know why? The reason is, when the mind does not know what is there in the system, automatically situations become do and die. Because how come mission goes like, mission is like you are climbing a mountain, you are climbing a peak to capture it, and you know there is a intrusion, but you don't know what level of intrusion is there, who is sitting over there, what will happen. You say, let me get cautious and let's go there, and I need to be very active. What will happen? I will spontaneously handle it, but I need to make it happen. So what happens? Evidently, I come to a state of do and die, and because automatically, unconsciously, they are into the state of do and die, and they have that quality of being that those OLQs are already in their active state, they get the recommendation. On the other hand, lot of aspirants who definitely have the particular caliber to get recommended, but either their officer like quality or their non-uniform officer is in the sleeping mode, or they need to work onto it, which is a lot of majority of categories. They have to be sent to a structured mentoring system. But that structuring mentoring system again has to be about building up your system and a persona. It's not about telling you about the system कि भाई देखो पीपीडीटी में ये नुस्खा है, वैट में ये कर लेना, एसआरटी में ये तो कुछ चलता ही नहीं, ये तो सब दिस इज ऑल flop show. It's there is no point saying this. Just use this word, use this particular tense at that particular second. No tense, nothing will remember. So for those people, which all of you have been even sharing your feedbacks, everything, you people have been experiencing transformation at various level. With that mindset, the overall SSB recommendation blueprint journey has been engineered, which has yes impacted a lot of people at various transformational levels. Lot of candidates got recommended also. There are people who still got flunked, they were not able to get through. But the point is, why they are not able to get through, you need to figure out that particular problem. And in this specific case of this confusion of duality, when you have the clarity why this confusion of duality is coming, that you are not able to put yourself in do and die, and the reason is because you know everything. And because you know everything, कहते हैं ना, ज्यादा ज्ञान भी जब हो जाता है थोड़ा सा, तो अपने आप को आपको मेंटेन करना बहुत जरूरी है. And that is why I say to a lot of candidates and all the chaps, don't be overconfident when you go over there. The moment you leave for there, leave everything. It is just like a pure mission that you have taken forward. So it is a very strong appeal to all of you that you need to maintain yourself and you need to take this thing as a do and die. When you enter into the SSB gate and when you sit in the testing hall while the briefing is going on, I would always advise you, you always get few knack of minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 30 seconds, while people are settling down, the respective, I would say the one who has to take the charge or the whosoever has to come and instruct you. In that time, that's the best time when you should not look here and there, talk to people. Close your eyes and just pray within yourself that I have got a chance to give myself for this mission. Let me give myself for the mission, and I leave everything on the Almighty to push me for this mission, and I'm going to give my 100%. Let's see how it works. That should be your way. So this will help you to put yourself into that zone. और जैसे ही आप इस जोन में आओगे ना, ये जितनी भी आप लर्निंग्स आपने करी है और इतनी क्लैरिटी और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करी है, ये अपने आप वहां मैनिफेस्ट होगा. आपको करना नहीं पड़ेगा. This all game, what you have learned, this all will get manifested in actions automatically. But the moment you try to apply a force and you try to act over smart because of your over intelligence or because of the duality, which is the confusion, in both the cases, you will going to crash. And that is what happened with Harsha as well. And this particular thing, I mentioned him before he was leaving SSB. He knows this. I mentioned him very clearly. And I told him, this is your problem where you really need to work on. Because he has come from a particular point where he has been doing super good in academics. So at times, our mindset becomes like this, that I have been the top. I have been topping my every exam and everywhere. So I have to do this. Then obviously there are some self expectations also. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं भाई मुझे तो करना ही है कैसे भी करके. करना है, that's right. That should be the attitude. But करना है के साथ there should not be any duality and there should not be any game to say that okay, I will do this, I will do this. करना है का मतलब है I just need to give my 110% for the mission. Let's see how the mission works. अपने आप आपका स्पॉन्टेनिटी में सारी लर्निंग्स अपने आप एक्शन में फ्लो होंगी, अपने आप एक्शंस में मैनिफेस्ट होंगी. अपने आप जहां पर आपको कैसे एक्ट करना है, कैसे आपको रिस्पॉन्ड करना है, जो आपका बहुत प्रोफाउंडली नॉन यूनिफॉर्म ऑफिसर को शो करेगा, वो अपने आप मैनिफेस्ट होगा. दिखाना नहीं पड़ेगा किसी को, वो अपने आप हो जाएगा. एक होता है दिखाना, एक होता है you speak about it. Your aura speaks about it. Your aura will speak that thing. Either you will be in screening, PPDT, either you will be in psychology, GTO interview, wherever you will be. So you need to work on this, and this is a small tip I have given you. It's a very workable tip. Just apply it whenever all those will be going for the SSB next time, and that's the way which will really help you to take over this thing. All right, Prashant?
Yes, sir.
Got the clarity, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone any doubt on this? Is it clear? Any doubt on this PPDT? It's clear. Okay. All right. So this was this is the analysis of the PPDT of Harsha that we have done, and with all these learnings that you have got a clarity, just apply it, and then see automatically your PPDT will going to be the fantastic, and do apply it in the mock as well. All right. Okay, great. So this is done. But this was a good thing, I believe, आप सब लोगों के लिए, and it was a very, it was little more of a tricking PPDT for a lot of people to understand कि इसमें क्या problem है. But this is something good which has given you a clarity,